back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. As always, the links to all the pages that I share are always linked in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead is from the company CAS Information Systems. They have 189 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.6 out of 5-star rating. As always, I encourage you to do your own research on any companies that I share before giving them your personal information. The CAS Information Systems is hiring a data management representative. This is remote for the United States. But they are basically looking for somebody to ensure all client vendor data received by internal and external parties is updated timely and accurately with minimal errors into their proprietary system, which is Waste Vision. So you're going to accept the new client paperwork from the sales team, and you're going to enter that client data into the Waste Vision system. You'll manage and update existing client records as requested, updating their portfolio records, removing inactive records, and accepting new vendor paperwork from the sourcing and procurement and entering that vendor data into Waste Vision as well. You're going to manage assigned work activity and data management, meaning extracting service rate and contract data from client and vendor sources and entering that data into the system with a low rate of error. So this is basically going to be non-phone data entry job. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position, just a high school diploma or GED, somebody who has great written and verbal communication skills, the ability to efficiently and accurately key data into the computer, somebody who has basic proficiency in Microsoft Office Suite. Now, they do prefer 1 to 3 years experience working in some kind of office environment or 1 year of prior data entry experience, but those are preferred and not required. Now, of course, pay for this position was not actually listed in the job description. Actual pay will need to be discussed at the time of the interview, but I did a little bit of estimating, and I found that they do pay anywhere from $59,000 a year all the way up to $96,000 a year for a data management representative. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for down in the comments. I do read those and keep that in mind, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.